Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn fun with symmetry together, step by step. A shape has symmetry if one half is the mirror image of the other. We'll find lines of symmetry in shapes and letters. A line of symmetry is a fold along which the two halves match exactly, each mirroring the other. Some shapes have several. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, a square 4, an equilateral triangle 3, and a circle countless. The letter M folds down the middle so its left half mirrors the right one line of symmetry. To recap, symmetry means the halves mirror each other across a fold line. Squares have 4 lines, rectangles 2, circles countless. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.